Imagine this. You are floating in the silent darkness of space. In front of you lies one of the most terrifying objects in the universe, a black hole. No light escapes it. No signal escapes it. And once something crosses its boundary, it can never come back. But what would actually happen if you fell into one? Let's find out. First, we need to understand what a black hole really is. A black hole forms when a massive star dies. When the star runs out of fuel, gravity takes over and the entire star collapses into an incredibly tiny point called a singularity. This point is so dense that its gravity becomes unbelievably powerful. Around this singularity is an invisible boundary called the event horizon. Think of it as the point of no return. Once anything crosses the event horizon, a spaceship, a planet, or even light itself, escape becomes impossible. Now, imagine you're slowly drifting closer to this event horizon. At first, nothing strange seems to happen. From far away, the black hole might even look beautiful. Swirling gas and dust spiral around it, forming a glowing ring called an accretion disk. This disk can become hotter than the surface of the sun. But the real danger begins when you get closer. As you approach the black hole, its gravity begins to pull on your body. But here's the terrifying part. The gravity pulling on your feet becomes much stronger than the gravity pulling on your head. This difference in gravitational force starts stretching your body. Scientists call this process spaghettification. Yes, that's the real name. Your body would begin stretching longer and longer like spaghetti. Your feet would be pulled toward the black hole faster than the rest of your body. Eventually, the stretching force would become so powerful that no material in your body could hold together. From your perspective, time would appear completely normal. You would simply fall toward the black hole. But for someone watching you from far away, something bizarre happens. Because of Einstein's theory of relativity, time near a black hole slows down. As you get closer to the event horizon, an outside observer would see your movement slowing more and more. You would appear to move in slow motion, then slower and slower, until eventually you would appear completely frozen at the edge of the black hole. From a perspective, you never actually fall in. Your image would slowly fade away as the light from you becomes weaker and redder. This effect is called gravitational redshift. But for you, you would continue falling. Once you cross the event horizon, escape becomes impossible. No rocket, no technology, not even light can escape. At this point, all paths in space lead in only one direction, toward the singularity. And this is where physics itself begins to break down. The singularity is believed to be infinitely dense. Our current understanding of science cannot fully describe what happens there. Some scientists believe you would be crushed instantly. Others suggest something even stranger might occur. There are theories that black holes could act as gateways to other regions of the universe. Some physicists even propose that black holes might connect to something called a wormhole, a tunnel through space and time. But so far, we have no proof. And the truth is, no one who has crossed the event horizon has ever returned to tell the story. Black holes remain one of the greatest mysteries in the universe. Objects so powerful they can bend space, distort time, and swallow entire stars. Yet they also help us understand the deepest laws of physics. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. Somewhere out there, hidden in the darkness, are objects so powerful that even the universe struggles to explain them. Black holes, the most terrifying and fascinating objects in existence.